Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to properly season your Blackstone griddle. Alright, as you can see, this is a brand new griddle. What I want to do is I want to go ahead and take this sticker off. Before you start seasoning your griddle for the first time, what you want to do here is you want to wash it. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this off of the base and soap it down with warm water, and then I'll bring you back when I'm ready to season it. So before I put this thing back on here, I just want to make sure that this is working properly. So I'm just gonna go ahead and attach my propane. What you want to see is a nice even flame going across. This is good. Put my top base back on. So for this step, we are going to go ahead and turn it on full blast for about 10 to 15 minutes so that the griddle can get nice and warm. At this time, it will start changing colors. Don't worry. Right here, you're not adding anything yet. All right, so we're about 10 minutes in. Because the color changed pretty good already, I am gonna go ahead and go on to the next step. The next step here is to go ahead and turn off your burners. And we are now going to start the seasoning process. This is not gonna be a one and you're done type of seasoning process. You're gonna have to do this a couple of times. This is the very first time we're gonna do this, so I am gonna be using this Blackstone griddle seasoning. Once the burners are off, we're gonna go ahead and apply a thin layer. That's the key there, a thin layer. With a paper towel, I'm gonna go ahead and spread it around. You might want to use some gloves for this if the paper towel is getting a little too hot for you. So the reason it's supposed to be a thin layer is because if you end up putting too thick of a layer, and it seasons that way, what's going to happen is that it's going to start to chip off. So it's better just to do a thin layer here. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and ramp this baby back up on high, and you know it's ready to go to the next round once all this smoke clears. So don't freak out, let it go, let the smoke burn out. Once it burns out, we're going to go ahead and do it. We're going to repeat the process about 2 or 3 more times until we have a nice dark brownish color grill. All right, so pretty much my smoke has stopped. It didn't take 30 minutes. It actually took about 10 minutes, 5 minutes. It all depends on your grill. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to turn it off again. And we're going to go ahead and repeat the process. Remember, the key here is to leave it hot. You might want to use some of these heat resistant gloves. I'm just trying to wing it here. The key here is to leave a nice thin layer of smoke. A nice thin layer of seasoning on your grill. You don't want to leave a thick layer because that'll spell trouble later on. We're gonna turn this back on, let that burn off. All right, so this is my third round. I'm just gonna continue doing the same process over and over until I get a nice little tannish, brownish look to my grill or my griddle, and that should be it. Hope this video was informational. Let me know what you think on the comments down below. This has been The Smoking Beard. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Catch you guys on the flip side.